friends, thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to look at what I got my kids for Easter this year. I hope this gives you some ideas if you haven't gotten yours done or you need some last minute ideas on what to do. So my oldest is 9, well he'll be 9 in April, you know, counting down the days, and then my youngest turned 6 in January, so that's the age range that I bought for. So let me show you. Okay, so I got my oldest some of these Papermates. Got him on sale. He has his little desk area, so he likes pens, markers, colors, do something. I got some chalk for both of the boys, $1 in the dollar section at Target. I always get them like a pool toy. This is a pool toy too. I got these last year on clearance. Got some water balloons, and then in here, I stock up all this stuff throughout the year. A lot of this is from 5 and below. So I got this little Ninja Turtle egg, a little ice candy, some gum. I thought this was cool. I mean, it's just like an old-timey Game Boy with candy inside, a little fidget spinner, more candy, a Spider-Man, a little Pac-Man candy game, which is also from 5 and below, a Wonder Ball egg, a Transformer, and then like a little, both of the boys got one of these. It's a light-up color thing that they can put in their room, and then some Halo little Lego figures, the Beyblades that he's been wanting. I got him some Pokemons, and then he loves bubblegum, so I got him the baseball, and he loves basketball. He plays every day after school, so I thought that was like a good theme for him. Another Spider-Man toy, more candy, you know, because we don't have enough cavities, and then some marshmallows. So these were fruity or Fruit Loop flavored, so that'll be interesting to see if they even eat those. And then a little gummy Game Boy, some basketballs that he's been collecting these. So they have like little puzzle pieces that come with it and with an action figure, so I'll be excited to get some of those. Okay, for my 6-year-old, he loves Spider-Man and action figures and all that fun stuff, superheroes. So I got him this little Nerf thing. I need to get Cooper a Nerf toy, so I have to run to Target and get that. They both got a yo-yo, some Ninjago Lego stuff. He got chalk as well, some little things to fill eggs with, another gummy, he got that, a Five Nights at Freddy Lego, which he's obsessed with, I don't get it. And then he got some Pokemon, and then they both got some of the same stuff in here, just a different Transformer. He got a Ryan little Lego. I got that at 5 and below. Then he got the same light up toy. This is all pretty much the same stuff in here as his brother. And then he got the same pool toys, so there's no fighting. And that is what is gonna go in their Easter baskets. Okay, so I start with putting grass at the bottom. I save this every year. I just put it in a Ziploc and then put it in the basket and then store it in the attic. I start with the longest, kind of biggest item and work my way forward to the smallest. So if you just kind of like a bookshelf or something, you kind of go from tall to small. So that is what I do when I'm arranging the basket.
High to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it blows up.
And as you're going and you're placing things, if you don't like it or you can't see it, it's easier when more stuff's in the basket to kind of pull it up and like get it situated when it's all in there at the end. You can kind of move things around while you're doing it.
We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life tonight. We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life.
And now with the final touches, I just put this little spinner, and you'll see me put the chalk, kind of tuck it back there so you can see it. And then with the little marshmallows and the little peeps and stuff, kind of just stick it up top so you can see it and it doesn't get lost with all of this stuff in the basket. And you can kind of get the Easter theme with these 3 items as well. And all of this that is left I will use to fill some of the eggs, and
I also leave some things so I can set it out in front of the basket, so it's more of a wow factor when they come down on Easter morning. I'm going to start on my other son's basket, and I kind of start the same way with the same kind of items in the back and work my way forward.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you.
And I forgot some of these big items that were sitting beside the basket, so I had to kind of pull some out and start a little over and then work those into the basket.
It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night. Days without eating.
Now with all of the extra things that you see, I will do the same with his stuff, kind of fill these up with all the extra toys, and I will place them beside the basket as well.
For you, I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I will keep you warm. I will hold you closer so you don't feel the cold. And it's all for you. It's all for you.
Here is the final product of what they will be getting on Easter. And I think they're going to be very happy with it. Like I said, I have to get the other basket, a Nerf gun, but that is pretty much all I have to do, and fill their gold egg with some money, because that's something we always do. They always have one golden egg with a surprise, but that is their basket for this year. I hope this gave you some motivation to get yours done as well.
Okay, so the Easter baskets are done. That's one thing off my list. Now I need to go and plan their little Easter party for this weekend. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Most of the stuff is from 5 and Below, Dollar Tree, or Target. The big eggs are from Hobby Lobby if you guys are wondering for your children as well. And then the little ones with the clear tops are from Dollar Tree. If you have any other questions, like I said, just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.